Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the wrap underhand braiding method. These braids are also considered plaits, singles, or individuals, and they hang loose like these. I'll have a playlist linked with other video tutorials like this for you to check out. Let's get started. For the wrap underhand braiding method, you want to start with 3 even strands. So 1, 2, 3. For your left hand, you're going to be using your thumb, index, and middle. For your right hand, you're also going to be using your thumb, index, and middle. You're going to start this braid with one method and then you're going to transition to the wrap braiding method. To start this braid, for your right hand, your right strand is going to be in your big grip. Your big grip is your middle ring and pinky fingers. Then you're going to put your index finger between the 2 strands and then grip the middle strand with your index and thumb. For your left hand, your ends are going to be in your big grip and then you're going to put your index finger up to your scalp. You're going to twist your right wrist outward. Your left index is already in place, but you're going to grip the middle strand with your left thumb and index. Release that middle strand from your big grip. So now your right strand is between your right thumb and index, but you want to adjust the grip and put your middle and ring finger onto the strand with your thumb. Then you're going to lift your right index. For your left hand, you're going to twist your wrist outward. Then you're going to put your right index finger up against the part of the hair that's already been braided. Lift your right thumb. Pinch the middle strand with your right thumb and index. Take your left big grip off the strand. Now you're going to adjust the grip on your left hand from your left thumb and index, and you're going to put your middle and ring finger onto the strand. Then you're going to lift your left index. Then you're going to put your left index up against the part of the hair that you've already braided. Twist your right wrist outward. Take your left thumb off the strand. Pinch the middle with your thumb and index. Adjust the grip on your right from your thumb and index to your thumb, middle, and ring. And then you're going to lift your index finger. Then you're going to put your right index up against the part of the hair that's already been braided. And you're going to do that 6 times. So each pinch of the middle is 1 time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're doing that 6 times. And then we're going to transition to the wrap underhand braiding method. One thing to remember when you're doing the underhand wrap braiding method is that one hand is going to do 2 motions before you switch hands. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So for my right hand, I'm going to wrap the strand. That's 1. Then I'm going to pinch the 2 strands together. That's 2. Now I'm switching to my left hand. I'm going to wrap the strand. That's 1. Then I'm going to use my left hand and pinch the 2 strands together. That's 2. So I'm just going to braid this down 6 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once I get to the 6th pinch, this is what my hand is going to look like. I'm going to take my thumb, index, and middle on my left hand and pinch this left strand and the middle strand right where they cross. And now we're starting the wrap underhand braiding method. You're going to take this right strand that's free and grab it with your right thumb, index, and middle. Wrap it to the back. Place it between your left index and middle. Then you're going to take your thumb, index, and middle and grab the free strand. And you're going to take it and bring it to meet this strand. And then you're going to pinch it in place. Okay, so I'm bringing it up to meet this strand. And I'm pinching it in place. Then I'm going to take my left thumb, index, and middle. Grab the strand and wrap it to the back and place it between my right index and middle. Then I'm going to use my thumb, index, and middle on my left hand to grip this free strand and bring this strand to meet this strand that's in the hold. And hold it in place. Then I'm going to take this right free strand and grip it with my right thumb, index, and middle. Wrap it to the back and place it between my left index and middle. Then I'm going to take this free strand with my right thumb, index, and middle. Bring this strand to meet this strand that's in the hole. And then you're just going to keep going. So pinch it, wrap, pinch, wrap, pinch, wrap, pinch, wrap, pinch, wrap, pinch, wrap. When you get to the ends, you're still going to do the same thing. Let's go over borrowing for the underhand wrap braiding method. You're going to borrow when one of the strands is thinner than the other two. So what you're doing is taking hair from one of the thicker strands and adding it to the thin strand to even them out. We're going to keep braiding until we get the thin strand back here in our holding spot of our left hand. So this is the thin strand. I'm pinching these two together. This is the thin strand. It's now going back into the hold. So what we're going to do is take some hair from this strand. It's one of the two thicker strands. We're going to take some hair from the left side of this strand and separate it. Okay. Now we're going to keep braiding until we get this strand to blend with the piece of hair that we took from the left side of this thicker strand. So you can hold it off to the side like that. And now we're going to take this free strand, pinch it, wrap this left strand, and now that leaves the piece of hair that we took from the front middle strand and the thin strand. And now they're together. And then you just keep braiding. And you'll know that you did it right if the braid just continues to flow how it's supposed to with no lumps or bumps. And if you still notice that the strand is thin or you have a thinner strand, then you just do the same thing. Shout out to Vandy Vanity's Braid School for this borrowing tip. And that's how you do the wrap underhand braiding method. I hope you found this tutorial to be super helpful. I would love it if you would share, repost, like, and especially comment on this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until my next video, bye.